Have you ever been in a situation where a child is out with friends or wants to buy something to eat and needs to make a payment immediately? Maybe it's for a metro ride, lunch at the canteen, a mobile recharge, or buy something online. Usually, parents have only two options, either give cash or make the payments by themselves. But what if teenagers could make their own mobile payments safely while parents still stay in control? That's exactly what Paytm Pocket Money is designed for. What is Paytm Pocket Money? Paytm Pocket Money is a new feature that allows teenagers to make Paytm UPI payments even if they don't have their own bank account. The money comes from a parent or a trusted family member's linked bank account, but the teenagers can make their payment independently from their own Paytm app. This means no more borrowing a parent's phone, asking for OTPs, sending QR codes on WhatsApp, or waiting for someone else to complete the payment. Instead, teenagers can make their payments every day on their own while parents maintain visibility and control. Here's how it works. A parent or a trusted family member can set up a pocket money through Paytm. During setup, they invite the teenager, complete verification, choose a monthly spending limit, link it with their primary bank account. Once the teenager accepts the invitation, they can start making payments through their own Paytm app. The parents remains in control throughout the process. They can set monthly spending limits, track payments in real time, modify limits whenever required, remove access instantly if needed. To make the experience safer, Paytm also includes built-in protection features. For example, payments are capped at Rs 500 during the first 30 minutes after setup. A total spending limit applies during the first 24 hours. Device lock is mandatory. Payment history remains visible within the Paytm app. This ensures convenience doesn't come at the cost of security. Everyday use cases. Let's look at a few everyday situations. Imagine a student buying lunch at the school canteen. Scan, pay and done. Or taking a metro ride after classes. Quick UPI payment, maybe paying friends back after splitting a bill. Or purchasing a study material online. Instead of depending on cash or calling parents all the time, teenagers can manage these routine expenses independently. At the same time, parents continue to have access over their spending and can guide responsible money habits from an early age. Paytm Spend Summary Advantage. One of the most helpful features is integration with Paytm Spend Summary. Every payment is automatically categorized, helping families to understand where the money is being spent. This makes it easier to track expenses, manage allowances, identify spending patterns, build smarter financial habits over time. It's not just about making payments, it's about helping teenagers learn how to manage money responsibly. Paytm Pocket Money brings the pocket money into a secure digital format. Teenagers get the freedom to make payments independently, while parents continue to stay informed and in control. If you are looking for a smarter way to manage allowances and introduce responsible digital payments to the next generation, Paytm Pocket Money is worth exploring. Update your Paytm app and check out Pocket Money today. Subscribe to Paytm to get more amazing videos.